It's morning breakfast. Fried potatoes, bacon, and eggs on the Blackstone Griddle. Oh, it's so nice out here this morning. How about some onion? Quarter of an onion here. And we got about 3 cloves of garlic, chopped up, fresh garlic. And while these are cooking over here, I got some red potatoes washed and brushed real good, and I partially cook them in the microwave. It just makes it a lot easier. I don't cook them all the way, just partially. Let's put some more oil on there. We're going to mix these onions and garlic with them. How about a couple chopped jalapenos on it? Yeah, let's do that. Would you like that? Just a little bit of salt on these babies here. A little bit of paprika. A little bit of oregano or oregano. I don't know. However they say it. How do y'all like your eggs out there? I like mine over easy. One-handed. Oops. Well, I wasn't too good at that one. Yeah. Ooh, got that pepper on the eggs. Oh, yeah. Boy. All right, y'all, I'm gonna dive into this here. That is really good. Yes, sir. Well, listen, y'all, I appreciate you stopping by and joining me for breakfast. Y'all try this sometime. Good breakfast. Many different ways you can do this. Love you, mean it. Peace out.